Who the person I'm talking to, is that the person who is in this property at 2170 East Jefferson? You're not answering my question.
I'm the beneficiary of Dwayne Davis right here. The beneficiary.
Your Honor, since the defendant has not identified himself as the defendant in this particular case.
I just did. I just told you I'm the beneficiary.
Are you even identifying yourself as Dwayne Davis Jr.?
No, I'm the beneficiary of that name.
All right, guys. Today we've got a certified train wreck of a sovereign citizen in court, and it's a wild ride. This genius is facing eviction because, shocker, he didn't pay rent. But wait, it gets worse. Turns out he also stole money from a COVID relief fund meant to help people pay rent back in 2020. Imagine scamming a program built to help the struggling, and then turning around and claiming the law doesn't apply to you. I honestly can't tell if he's a real sovereign citizen or just a broke dude, throwing legal buzzwords to dodge consequences. Either way, the courtroom heat is real, and this guy's about to get absolutely wrecked by the judge. Let's dive into
Calling case number 22393437. This is Pasadena Investments LLC versus Dwayne Davis Jr. and all occupants at 2170 East Jefferson, Unit 1007.
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P. 56548 on behalf of the plaintiff. Your Honor, Mr. Davis at this time owes $6,706, court cost of $157. This is a subsequent hearing.
All right, Mr. Davis or Ms. Davis? Okay,
Yeah, I'm
Mr. Davis.
the beneficiary of Dwayne Davis right here. The beneficiary.
What is it?
Are you Dwayne? Excuse me. Are you Dwayne Davis Jr.?
I'm the beneficiary owner right here.
Do you reside at 2170 East Jefferson, Unit 1007?
Yes, the estate does assign there.
Do you reside in that property?
The beneficiary, yes.
The person I'm talking to, is that the person who is in this property at 2170 East Jefferson? You're not answering my question.
I don't fully understand it. Say it again.
All right, okay. At this point, I don't see anyone who resides at 2170 East Jefferson, Unit 1007. If you do reside there, please make the court aware of it.
Okay.
Your Honor, since the defendant has not identified himself as the defendant in this particular case.
I just did. I just told you I'm the beneficiary.
Your Honor,
of the name.
Your Honor, since the defendant has not identified himself as a person in this property, he's attempting to try to act like he's a sovereign. This property is owned and is an apartment building. We're asking for a default judgment at this time. If he decides to pay it, that's great. If not, we'll be moving forward after time expires.
Before we proceed with this matter, can I ask the director, the beneficiary? I'm talking to the plaintiff, sir. My legal person, I'm showing you right here, a corporation. Can you write me in 21 days and provide me evidence that you have legal?
Your Honor, none of that is
required
by law in this court. I'm asking for a default judgment this time. Quit wasting the court's time. If he wants
wasting your court's time.
School, I am honestly just so sick of these sovereign citizens getting what feels like a free pass in court. Like, how many times do judges have to sit there listening to these people spout made-up laws before finally shutting it down? We need way more judges to just slam the gavel, cut through the nonsense, and either demand order or cancel the case and reschedule it in person. Because clearly, they don't know how to act on Zoom. It's like handing a toddler an iPad and expecting them to file their taxes. Ever since COVID, these sovereign citizens have multiplied like rabbits. Every other case now has someone screaming they don't consent to being arrested. But for me, it's the audacity. This dude owes $6,000 in rent, and he's out here reading from a script like he's starring in a courtroom play. It's beyond embarrassing. But hey, let me know what you guys think. Let's get back to the chaos.
If he wants to file the appropriate court paper or identify himself to the court as you've requested on numerous occasions, then we can proceed forward. At this time, playing these legal games is against. I
have a birth certificate right here.
Against the law. Two, we provide the court with a lease agreement. We provide the court with the ledger. We're asking for a default judgment.
The court is in receipt of a summons, a complaint, a demand for non-payment of rent, as well as a lease agreement.
The summons was
signed
never
with-
notarized.
Signed with Dwayne Davis Jr., as well as a proof of service. Mr. Davis, Dwayne Davis Jr., how much is your monthly rent?
I want to say 900.
When's the last time you paid rent?
Long time. Siri paid my back balance, but Pasadena never put it to my account. So I consider Pasadena either took the money or what. I don't know what they did with it, but Siri definitely paid it. It's on the record. It's on my the record with the Siri. You can find it in their profile. But they're supposed to pay my back balance.
I don't know. I can't find it in my profile. So you qualify. Sarah paid. How much did Sarah pay?
They paid up to like September, but they didn't pay they're supposed to pay July, August, September, but Pasadena never put that to my account.
Your Honor, if it wasn't applied, my client didn't receive it. That is not our burden. It's his burden.
But that's in documents though that they were supposed to pay. I have it in documents.
Your Honor, I'm not going to sit and argue all day, Your Honor. Bottom line is, the money is for his benefit. It is not for my client's benefit. Just like paying a mortgage payment. If I send a mortgage payment in, if it's not received, it's still on me. If you send a mortgage payment on my behalf and it's not received, it's still on the person who has the mortgage. He's the renter. It is his responsibility to have the money paid, or to whoever's paying on his behalf, that we receive it. We have done everything we're supposed to do. The documentation speaks for itself. At this time, again, I'm requesting for either default judgment or judgment by hearing.
And then I'm talking to the plaintiff. Can you just write me and saying that you have authority as a public servant to me?
Your Honor, I am not writing.
Excuse me,
I'm not
Mr. Davis. This is a landlord-tenant court. This is summary proceedings. This is the second hearing, and you're afforded legal counsel. Legal counsel was available. They said that they could not assist you at this matter. Are you even identifying yourself as Dwayne Davis Jr.?
No, I'm the beneficiary of that name.
Also, this sovereign genius actually claims he's the beneficiary of his own self. Bro, that's not how anything works. That's like saying you're your own boss, but still need to ask yourself for a raise. These people just throw together a bunch of fancy-sounding words and hope the judge gets confused enough to play along, which, by the way, never happens. I genuinely think that's their strategy, talk in circles until someone gives up. But in actual legal terms, a beneficiary is someone who receives something from a legal trust, not whatever nonsense this guy's trying to spin. He's basically handing the judge a golden ticket to toss him out of court. But seriously, should judges even waste time on people like this? Let's jump back in and see how far this circus act gets him to.
So are you not Dwayne Davis Jr.?
No, I am not. I am not.
Okay. We are entering, the court has not received the call or answer from Dwayne Davis Jr. Does anyone on this Zoom reside at 2170 East Jefferson, number 1007? Is anyone present who lives in that property on this Zoom?
Your Honor, again, no one's responded, asking for my default judgment. We can submit it to the court before the end of the day, along with the full ledger.
Default judgment granted.
Thank you, Judge.
Please submit the paperwork. Colin, you're free to leave. Well, nobody identified themselves, so calling the next case.
Also, yeah, this guy's getting evicted exactly what he deserved. It's wild how sovereign citizens still think they can outsmart judges with legal knowledge they picked up from shady Facebook groups and conspiracy videos. Holding up a fake document doesn't make you a legal genius, it makes you look ridiculous. Courts have shut these arguments down over and over, but they keep coming back like they've found some secret cheat code to the law. Newsflash, if it only works in your imagination, it's not a strategy, it's a fantasy. And let's not forget, this dude took COVID relief money and never paid it back. Honestly, the judge should have held him in contempt or dragged him in person. Zoom hearings with these people never work anyway. If you enjoy watching legal clowns get exposed, hit like and subscribe. I post daily. Catch you next time.